G'day, it's Adam Franklin, and there's a tool I want to share with you today that I found super useful. It's called Readwise. Now, the reason I found it so useful is because one, I love reading books on Kindle, and two, I love highlighting the important or meaningful sections or passages of text as I go. But until now, I haven't had a reliable or systematic way to revisit the bits that I've highlighted. So, what Readwise does is it actually selects 5 different passages that I've highlighted from all the various different books that I've read, and each day it sends me an email with the 5 selected passages. So this is really powerful because of all the books that I've read, I highlight the best bits and I get those ideas resurfaced by them sending me the email so I can revisit them, and sort of it helps me internalize those passages a lot more, because I think we probably only comprehend or can retain about 1 or 2% of a book. So often, we read it, even the act of highlighting is good, but to actually go back and revisit it systematically, I feel anyway, is a really nice way to absorb the messages and to have the opportunity to revisit the ideas. Now, what I want to be doing with that is thinking, well, how can I then share that? How can I make that useful to other people? So I may talk about some of the favorite bits that I've highlighted in these videos. Still not 100% sure, but the tool I find really nice. Readwise.io is the web address. I highly recommend you give it a go. Take care.